Hi there and welcome to our video today on your business tech stack. We are going to be defining your tech stack and its components, and then I'm going to be giving you 8 practical tips on your business and if you are looking to build and scale your tech stack. So let's jump straight in. Let's define your tech stack. Your tech stack is defined as the technology, tools, and software that you use in your business that helps you to build and scale as you go through your daily operations. Now, it doesn't only involve software tools that you can use in your back end, but there are also some hardware components that plays a part in what your tech stack is. Now, in this video and in my niche, I do not focus on the hardware aspect. We only focus on the software and tools aspect. So that is what I will be speaking to today in this video. So when I speak to the software and tools, I'm referring to your CRM or your customer relationship management system, to various data management systems that you might have in place, your collaboration tools, as well as your marketing tools. Let's jump straight into 8 practical tips for your business if you are looking to build and scale your tech stack. Number 1, you need to set clear business goals and objectives. When you choose your tech stack and when you choose the tools that you are going to use, the choice of what tools you are going to implement and integrate into your business will be strongly influenced by what your goals and objectives are. Number 2 is scale by design. Design your tech stack with scalability in mind. So when you choose your tools or your software that you would like to use, you need to think about the growth that you will be going through on a horizontal scale, and then also the scalability. So if you bring additional clients on board, if you bring additional team members on board, you need to choose your tech stack that can scale by design. Number 3 is choosing the right technologies. So when you choose the right tools, another thing that you need to consider is, does this tool have a record of being scalable in the space that you are operating in? Think about the community support. How do they handle the customer support as well that you need in your daily business operations and so forth? So think about those things and investigate and research those aspects as you are choosing your tech stack. Number 4 is to prioritize security measures. I would strongly encourage you to prioritize security measures from the start of building your tech stack. And if you haven't prioritized security up until this point, it's never too late to start. So that would involve access control to your tools by using password management, as well as just choosing who has access to the tools and the very sensitive customer data that you are most likely storing in your software. Number 5 is documentation and knowledge sharing. I see too many businesses who have absolutely no idea what tools their entire tech stack is made up of. When I ask them to just inform me, perhaps before a connection call, let me know what your tech stack is about, they are scrambling all over the place. So if I could just give you a really quick tip, open up any Google sheet or any spreadsheet and just document all the tools that you use in your business, whether that's on a daily, monthly, quarterly basis. And then a really helpful thing to do as well is to have a column of whether it's free or paid, and then how much you are paying for it as well. So when you document the tools, if you have a team or you have contractors, you have people that you bring on board, you are able to share the knowledge of which tools you use as well. So by documentation, you are making knowledge sharing much easier in your day-to-day processes. Number 6 is to invest in training and skill development. Whether it's you that is operating on a solopreneur basis in your business or whether you have a team, when you invest in training or your team's training and skill development, you are ensuring that your business and your tech stack is staying up to date with the latest technologies, latest trends. That does not mean that you need to jump on all the latest tools that are appearing, which is on a daily basis sometimes. All that means is that you are able to stay on top of how you use your tech stack and how you use the tools to their maximum capacity on a daily basis. Number 7 speaks directly to what we just spoke about in number 6, but basically for number 7, we want to build a culture of continuous improvement. In my experience, that starts with the business owner. When the business owner or the leader of the company has a culture within themselves of continuously improving on these skills, it naturally needs to filter down to the team. So that helps everyone to share experiences, share knowledge, give feedback on vital processes in the business. And tip number 8 is to regularly review and update your tech stack. I preach this all the time in so many of my processes, that reviewing what you currently have or what you have implemented is vital to making sure that what you are reviewing, in this case a tech stack, is still aligning with your business goals and objectives. If you never review, you are going to find yourself a few months, a few years down the line with a tech stack that no longer supports what you are trying to build in your business. So by reviewing, whether quarterly, monthly, twice a year, whatever your schedule for reviewing is, by reviewing your tech stack on a regular basis, you are determining whether the tools that you use and whether the tech stack that you use is still a good idea for your business. Remember, your business is unique, so it's really important that you tailor these tips and this advice to suit your specific industry requirements and your specific business goals. I hate it when I witness and I am part of a culture that is trying to just copy what the next person has already implemented. I guarantee you that that is going to hit roadblocks on your way to wherever it is that you are going. So just tailor your business tech stack to your business needs, your individual goals and objectives, and when you review, you are able to review based on your metrics. Thank you for joining me.